Welcome Connolly Cove followers to another exciting adventure on our channel. Today we're taking you on a captivating walking tour through the historic streets of Paphos, Cyprus. Get ready to immerse yourself in the rich history, scenic promenade, and impressive castle that this beautiful city has to offer. Let's dive in. Hey there, history buffs. Did you know that Paphos is considered one of the most significant archaeological sites in the Mediterranean? Our first stop takes us back in time as we explore the fascinating history of Paphos. Legend has it that Paphos is the birthplace of the Greek goddess Aphrodite. As we stroll along the sun-kissed streets, you can almost feel the mythical energy surrounding you. The city of Paphos, located on the southwestern coast of Cyprus, holds a magical allure for those who seek the whispers of ancient legends. The legends claim that Aphrodite emerged from the foaming waves near the famous rock of Aphrodite, a striking natural formation hugged by the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. As the gentle sea breeze brushes against your skin, it is as if the spirit of Aphrodite herself lingers in the air, infusing the atmosphere with romance and enchantment. Captivated by the mythical aura, visitors find themselves captivated by the ethereal beauty that Paphos exudes. The charm of this coastal city effortlessly transports you to a time when gods and goddesses roamed the earth, and love, passion, and beauty were revered above all else. As we continue walking along the Paphos promenade, we are amazed by the sights and sounds around us. The endless sea stretches out in front of us, and the hot sun beats down on our backs, warming our skin. The line of palm trees along the promenade provides much-needed shade, and their leaves rustle gently in the breeze. We pass by cafes and restaurants filled with people enjoying delicious food and drinks as the music and chatter spill out onto the street. It truly is a vibrant and lively atmosphere, and we feel energized and excited to explore more of what Paphos has to offer. As you enter the town of Paphos, it's hard to miss the imposing figure of the Paphos castle standing tall against the horizon. This magnificent medieval fortress dates back to the Byzantine era and was built with the sole purpose of fortifying the harbor against intruders. Now, centuries later, it stands tall as a testament to the architectural prowess of its builders. As you walk through the castle's ancient corridors, you can't help but feel as though you've been transported back in time. Be sure to make your way up to the castle's rooftop, where you'll be greeted with an unparalleled panoramic view of the harbor and the stunning Mediterranean Sea beyond it. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Paphos castle will surely leave you in awe.